Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to fix video property toolbar mixing in your video editing, Filmora video editing software without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, if you take a look at my workspace right here, so if I drag a video into my timeline right here and I hit on Keep Project Settings, and then I could not find my video property in such a way that it's going to be difficult for me to do some editing. This happened because of corrupted workspace layout. What you need to do here to fix this particular problem in order to have access to video property details for easy editing workflow in your Filmora video editing, so what you need to do is to come to the top right here, go ahead and navigate to your view, then go to layout, then here, just restore back to your default settings. So once you click on default settings, then you'll be able to see all your property panel in the sidebar of your video. So if I go ahead and delete this particular video here in my timeline, and I decide to drag another video in my timeline right here, click the project setting editing right here, then we have the project details right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.